Hi guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to share with you the amazing brand new collection from Coco Vanilla Studio called Legendary. It's their latest collection. It's very boy themed, very kind of adventure outdoors themed. I'm really excited about this. It's been a little while since they released a boy collection, and I do have 2 of those in my family, so I do like these collections. I have a stack of beautiful goodies here. I'm going to go through and share all these things with you now. I am very lucky to be one of the first people to get my little hands on this collection, so I'm super excited to get creating. Gosh, I don't even know where to start. Okay, these are the Flair Buttons. There's 6 pieces in there. I really love the color palette of this collection. Lots of neutrals and just a few pops of this really beautiful orange, blue, and green. I think there is a little bit of yellow sprinkled in as well, which is really exciting. I really love these Flair badges. So we have, yeah, that's my boy, Superstar, Let's Go, a moon, a star, and some mountains. I really love this one. That's beautiful. Okay, and then next we have the enamel dots, which I absolutely adore. I love enamel dots anyway, but I particularly like Coco Vanillas because they put heaps in the packet. They're just the right size. You have lots of these little teeny tiny ones. And they have a white, which I use the most out of all my enamel dots. I use them all up. I very rarely actually have any white ones because I use them so much. And I really love it. It's a full row of white, and then this gray is a very pale gray, so it's almost white too. I'm really excited to have these. I'm going to use these a lot. Next we have a couple of different sticker sheets. So we have the cardstock stickers, which are just lovely. Again, we have that very neutral color palette with those blues and greens and oranges sprinkled in. Very much Coco Vanilla style. You have these larger stickers up the top. You have some labels, some arrows, and some tabs. And these little banner pieces, I love those. A nice big tag, and then all your tiny word stickers at the bottom, which I love these stickers. I use them so much. Beautiful vibrant printing. And then we have the clear stickers, which if you are a white cardstock background scrapbooker, these are your best friend. They look amazing on a white background. So we have some nice big titles, which I love. Lots of stars. I love these little watercolory brush strokes. They're really cool. Bear and the Fox. I just love the whole outdoor like adventure theme of this collection. And this is the second page, some more big titles, beautiful script. I just love that script. It's so pretty. And it's actually got that kind of like pen stroke scripty effect to it, and it looks really cool. Loving these colors, hot air balloon, the deer, the moon, and more stars. So pretty. Okay, next we have the die cut titles. Again, these have that kind of sketchy hand-drawn feel to them. They look like they've been written in with like a chisel tip marker. So those are all the titles on the back there, heaps and heaps. And they're nice big titles. Lots in here. So I'm just gonna go through really quickly and give you a bit of an idea of what there is in there. You know, I call it a boy collection, but I have a little girl as well, and you can bet I'm going to make some layouts with this for her, for me maybe even. There's always a way to use a collection to the theme that you're going for. All right, now we have the ephemera. I just love this color palette. Zoom you in slightly. Nice big frame with some arrows you can pop out. More mountains, beautiful. I love that sketchy bear. Explore the outdoors, some more of those sketchy animals. My daughter has just woken up. Tickets, little ribbon, some more outdoorsy themed bits and pieces, some die cut stars, they're lovely. Tabs, banners, pennants, ribbons, more tickets, lots of stars. Look at all those stars. Oh, some nice big nested stars. Look at those. So they pop apart. Oh, I love those. I really like those. Some more little stars, some more banners, mountains, love those, and a big kind of mandala theme that also pops apart. Lots of beautiful ephemera in there. And the thing I'm liking about this is there's not a lot of specifically boy themed phrases. Okay, let's have a look at these gorgeous 12 by 12 papers, shall we? So I don't have the 6 by 8 papers because I have extras of the 12 by 12. So I'm just going to flip through. I have 2 of each here, so I'm just going to flip them over so we have the names on the branding strip here. So this one is All Star. It's a light grey with a darker grey dotted line pattern on it. And the other side is this beautiful stars. Absolutely stunning. I can see myself fussy cutting the heck out of this one. So that is All Star. Then we have Offbeat. It's a nice subdued bluish, I'd say bluish grey. It's definitely on the blue side, but it does have that grey tone to it. So it's tone on tone stars. And then the other side is this beautiful mixed media background. I love these ones that Cocoa Vanilla Studio do because it's basically like working on a piece of blank white cardstock, but you have this mixed media sort of effect on it, so you really don't have to do much to the background. Then we have Wild One, really beautiful bright yellow. It's got kind of a bit of a geometric print on it. Really nice background paper. And the reverse is this gorgeous rainbow stripe. Sort of gradiates from one color into another. All you rainbow lovers are going to really enjoy this paper, I think. Then we have Total Legend. This is a little bit of an Aztec kind of inspired print. It's a pale blue with white. Really love those colors. And then the other side is this wonderful cut apart. I love that Cocoa Vanilla Studio do these cut aparts. They did have one page with sort of phrases and images, and then one page like this where it's just a few different patterns in a few different sizes. So you have your 3x4s, 4x6, and then some strips down here. Really, really lovely. This one is Explorer. You have a green stripe, a little bit of kind of watercolor effect there. And then the other side is this kind of mandala image. It's navy, beautiful navy with a gray kind of mandala print. Very intricate, very pretty. This one is Epic Tales, perfect background paper. It's a nice bright white with, is it gray or navy? I'd say really dark gray, little triangles. Love background papers like this. And then the reverse is the other cut apart with all the phrases and images on it. I love these big title cards. I really love this little scene. That's so pretty. You are my sun, my moon, and all of my stars. Wild and free. Nice journaling spot here, and the labels, which I love. Then we have One Way. I love this orange. I don't think you see orange enough, to be honest. I love to use orange in my layouts, especially my boy layouts. It's got a bit of a kind of zigzag pattern, tone on tone. Really good background paper. And the reverse side is lots of arrows, really pretty. Love that color palette. Then this one is Outdoors type. Stunning, stunning wood grain. Oh, I could have 50 of these pages and never get tired of it. Love me a wood grain paper. It's just beautiful. And then the reverse is this matte print, which I'm really excited about. I have some cool ideas for this one. Yeah, looking forward to getting stuck into that one. Then I think this is the last one. Yep, this is Braveheart. Painterly, brushstrokey, mixed media looking pattern, grays and blues and blacks and whites. Really, really cool and unique. And then the reverse side is the one you saw at the front, all the triangles. So that is all the 12 by 12 papers. And that is everything I have to share with you today. So thank you so much for joining me. I will leave the link to the Cocoa Vanilla Studio website in the description box if you want to go have a look. This won't be available on their online shop right away because they ship to retailers first. So if you have a local scrapbooking store that you would like to support, check with them to see if they stock this before you go and kind of wait to buy it straight from Cocoa Vanilla, because it's really important to support our local stores. And if you're not part of the Facebook group, the Cocoa Vanilla Studio community Facebook group, there is a thread on there at the moment where everyone is recommending stores to purchase this from in different areas. So otherwise, that is it from me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.